Hey, how you guys doing? It is me again. They do call me Kraken. We are here and we have a little bit of a problem going on. So yesterday my saw quit working, and don't know if you guys can see, right? But the plug for that saw is right there, right? It looks like it just kind of broke off inside. Obviously, we can't do anything with that. So luckily I work for an electrical supply, and what we're just going to do is cut this off. Now this, the saw works on a 2-prong. It doesn't have a ground, and that's okay. The wire that I have to replace it, or the plug that I have to replace it, does have a ground, and that's okay. We'll deal with it. The problem is that this cord is kind of molded around the wire and can be quite difficult to get off, right? And so the plug that I got is an insulated plug, which means that it should seal around this so water doesn't get inside of it. But all you got to do is just peel this back. You want just enough wire to work with. You don't need a lot. You want just enough to work with. And then we're just going to cut this off of here. Strip this back. I think right there should work. You don't need to strip it back a lot either. And we're going to twist this. You got a hot and a neutral. So now we're going to take this apart. This is the insulated portion right here, and it's got a seal inside of here, or outside of here, that should keep any liquid from getting inside of it. Try to get it. Don't necessarily want to take it all the way apart, but we do need to get it into that little bitty old hole right there. So there we go. Well, it's a tight fit. It's supposed to be a tight fit though, because this is supposed to be watertight. The plug right here is about an $8 plug. Let's see here. Guess it doesn't matter. Yep. Alright, so white goes on silver, brass goes on this other one here. So let's go ahead and unscrew this. Bring that out here. Screw that back in. Good and tight. Do the same thing with this other side. Okay. Get this up inside of here, just like that. Get it good and tight. And we'll pull this back. You got 3 of these screws. And those 3 screws should line up with the 3 in here. Come on. I don't think I'm lined up here. This is the hard part, honestly. You know what? I think there is a, there it is. There's a notch right there that's supposed to line up with. Yeah. You get your notch lined up, everything else should be lined up. All right, there we go. Sometimes these things happen, and just like that, well, not quite just like that, because I have to tighten this up too. So let me tighten this up, and then we should be good to go. There's a new cord cap on here. Test it out and make sure I did it right. There we go, just like that. All right, let's move this stuff out of the way. Happened last night while I was in the middle of cutting stuff for this board, and I wasn't able to finish what I wanted to do yesterday. There we go, done deal, and that's how you fix it.